Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be looking at some of the weirdest landmarks, I guess, in America or around the globe. Or see, I don't really take the chance to look at where these are all at, but the links will be down in the description below. So if you guys want to go see that, then yeah, you could definitely comment that down below if you know where any of these are from. But yeah, let's get started. So yeah, this first one looks like it's more of like a travel site, which I guess is good. And so this first one is from Paris. It looks like a big toe, like just a statue of like a big toe or a thumb, or I don't even know what that is. So yeah, it just looks like a slight phalange or an appendage from a human being. This next one is Australia, actually, and it has an upside down statue of a guy, which I don't know. I'm surprised this hasn't broken or anything. It's from the weight being on like that one little spot, but that is actually quite interesting that someone actually, the architect, engineered that. So, um, yeah. Yeah, sorry, I didn't actually read through these. Now I'm actually reading through these, and it's finding where everything's at. And this third one here is a hanging rhino. Why you would have a hanging rhino, I don't know. Germany, I don't know. Comment it down below if you know why. And I was looking through the rest of these. Some of these aren't all that great. But let's see, the next one. Meters Digest Canada. Okay, so the first one's hidden. So, or whatever. This next one, number 2 out of 10, is looks like some underwater statues. Let's see, where is this from? Sculpture Park, Mullinear Underwater. So yeah, that's the thing. Some of these are like the same, I guess. So, Georgian guidestones. And this next one is a gigantic hand. Hand of the desert. So apparently there's just one big hand in the desert. Then that hanging rhino again. Oops. Up. Waiting for this to load. Squirrel. Okay, so let's just break this down for a minute. So apparently this is a one from Colorado. I have no clue why I haven't seen this one. I'm from Colorado and I haven't even heard of this one. And it's a UFO watchtower. So yeah, why I haven't heard of it, or even, yeah, ever heard of it, it's kind of weird that I haven't honestly heard of it. Load. Load. Okay, well, ah! Strange attractions from every state. Okay, so. No! No. What noise came out of my mouth? So this first one is unclaimed baggage center from Alabama. Of course Alabama would have something that weird. This next one is a gigantic igloo from Alaska. The Thing. Here lies the Thing. The mystery of the desert. It's a wonder. From Arizona. I'm not even sure what that top one was. Arkansas. Resort. And this one is... No, we already saw the alien. No! California, Salvation Mountain. Located in Nylon, California, it is too far from Slab City lies the mini mountain covered in colorful biblical messages like God is love. The late Leonardo King, who lived on Salvation Mountain and continuously painted his message on it from 1985 to the early 2000s, creating a man-made mountain. Okay, so must have taken a while. So yeah, then there is the alien one. I swear if this doesn't load. Load. Not even sure what this is. I haven't actually looked this far. Oh. Well, Prussian ring collection. Okay, that is enough. Okay, so yeah, those were some interesting monuments from just around the world or around the U.S. But yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. And there will be an annotation to my last video, and maybe a video that you like to see. Or yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys next video.